How much should you actually spend on a Borescope inspection camera? People are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Teslong two-way borescope. Let's kick things off with the Teslong two-way articulating borescope. At $114.99, this camera caught my attention with its articulated probe and high-quality build. If you want to thoroughly inspect automotive engines or tight spaces, this is worth a serious look. The two-way articulating probe is a game changer for navigating complex areas. It allows you to see around corners and into tight spots without hassle. With a macro focus range of 0.6 to 4 inches and 1080p resolution, you can zero in on the details. Think identifying small cracks or blockages effortlessly. Plus, the built-in LED lights illuminate dark corners, ensuring you won't miss anything. This matters because, especially in repairs, clarity can save you time and money. It's currently trending with over 5,000 units sold in the last month, which speaks volumes about its reliability. Now, I should mention that some users complained about the video quality not being as clear in bright conditions. Here's the thing though, this is more about how you're using it. If you're doing inspections in well-lit areas, it's usually just fine. But if you need absolute precision in those conditions, it might be a slight drawback. This is perfect for you if you're a mechanic or a DIYer who often finds themselves in tricky inspection scenarios. Skip this one if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, but at this price point, the value is definitely there. Now, if the price tag on the Teslong bothered you, the next one might just be what you're looking for.
Product number 2, Kimthy Dual Lens Endoscope. We have the Kimthy Endoscope camera, priced at just $35.99. It's an attractive option if you want something budget-friendly without skimping on quality. If you're on a tight budget but still need a reliable inspection camera, this one is worth considering. The 1920p HD resolution is impressive for the price, allowing you to capture clear snapshots and videos. It's got an 8mm probe that can bend and navigate through tight spots, which is incredibly handy during inspections. Plus, with a 16.4-foot cable, you can reach those hard-to-access areas effortlessly. The IP67 waterproof rating means you can even use it underwater for pipe inspections, which is a huge plus. This matters because you want flexibility in your inspections, and this camera gives you just that. Over 3,000 units sold in the past month shows it's popular for a reason. However, some users did mention that the image can appear slightly blurry on certain Android devices. Now, I'll be real with you. If you have an older Android phone, that could be an issue. But if you're using it with an iOS device, you might not face this problem at all. This is perfect for casual users or anyone needing quick inspections around the house or in their car. Skip this one if you need top-tier image quality or advanced features. For the price, it's hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more flexibility.
Product number 3, Kimthy Single Lens Endoscope. Also from Kimthy, but this one is a single lens version, priced at $25.98. This camera offers similar features at an even lower price point. If you're really watching your budget but still need functionality, this could be the right fit for you. Like its dual lens counterpart, this camera also offers 1920p HD resolution, making it capable of capturing decent quality images and videos. The semi-rigid 16.4-foot cable allows for flexibility in navigation, whether you're inspecting a wall or looking for a blockage in a pipe. The waterproof capability means you can use it for more than just plumbing. Think of checking your roof or gutters. This is essential for anyone who needs to inspect dark, confined spaces without compromising clarity. Plus, with over 3,000 sold recently, it's clearly in demand. But some users have expressed concerns about the app connectivity being a bit finicky. Here's the thing though, if you're comfortable with technology, you can usually troubleshoot these issues fairly quickly. It's not a deal breaker for everyone, but it might be for those who want simplicity. This is perfect for DIY enthusiasts or homeowners who need a reliable yet affordable inspection camera. Skip this if you're looking for dual lens flexibility or extensive features. You can't argue with this price for the utility it offers. Now, if you need something that gives you great visuals and a bit more versatility, let's check out the next option. Product number 4, TJOR1080p Endoscope. We have the TJOR Endoscope camera priced at $31.99. This one features a dual lens setup and a larger display, making it a solid contender for inspections. If you want a camera that offers more viewing options, this is worth your attention. The 5-inch HD screen is a standout feature, providing a clearer view of what you're inspecting.
The dual lens flexibility allows you to switch between front and side views seamlessly, which is perfect for plumbing or automotive inspections where you need to see more than one angle. The 1080p resolution ensures you won't miss crucial details, which is essential for diagnosing issues effectively. The 16.4-foot semi-rigid cable makes it easy to maneuver through tight spots. This camera is well rated with over 2,000 units sold recently, indicating good value. However, some users did find it a bit bulky for prolonged use. Here's the thing, if you're using it for quick inspections, it's not a big deal, but if you need it for extended periods, it might feel a bit heavy in your hand. This is perfect for professionals or serious DIYers who need versatility and quality in their inspections. Skip this if you want something more lightweight and portable. For the features, it's a solid option. Now, moving on, our final product might just blow you away with its advanced features.
Product number 5, DepthStec Dual Lens Endoscope. Let's talk about the DepthStec Dual Lens Industrial Endoscope. At $49.99, it's slightly pricier, but it brings some advanced features to the table. If you need a professional-grade inspection camera, this one is definitely worth considering. The dual lens technology is a huge plus. You can switch between different viewing angles without needing extra attachments, which is a game changer for thorough inspections. The 4.3-inch color screen provides a crisp display, and 1080p video quality ensures you'll get detailed visuals. This is essential for identifying issues in tight or complex spaces, especially in professional settings. The IP67 waterproofing means you can take it underwater, which is great for plumbing inspections. With a built-in 32GB card and over 1,000 sold, it's gaining traction for a reason. But some users reported the battery life could be better. Here's the thing, you're getting a lot of features, and while the battery lasts about 4 hours, if you're using it for extensive jobs, you may want to keep a charger handy. This is perfect for professionals who need reliable, high-quality inspections in various settings. Skip this if you're just looking for something basic or infrequent use. The investment is justified by the features it offers. Now that we've gone through all 5, you have a great selection to choose from depending on your needs and budget.
To wrap it all up, we've covered the Testlong, Kimthy Dual Lens, Kimthy Single Lens, TGOR, and the DepthStec Endoscope. Each has its strengths and specific use cases, whether you need a high-end option or something budget-friendly. Think about what features matter most to you, and you'll find the right borescope for your needs. Happy inspecting!